how to delete App Store search history. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to delete App Store search history. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the App Store on your iOS device. Alright, so after you open the App Store, you will get search interface. So from the top, while you are tapping on the search icon, you will be able to see a lot of options like suggested, or you can see your recent searches. So there is no any such options, like you can directly clear the search history from the App Store. So App Store have not provided these features, like you can clear your search history from the App Stores. So from the App Store, you can only delete your process history. So for that, tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner, and now from the account center you can easily go the options like process history, and from the process history section you'll be able to see your every process history, and from your you can easily select and delete the process history from the iPhone. So there is no any such options, like you can clear the search history from your iPhone on App Store. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.